a few drops of essential oil can make your whole house feel like a winter retreat, I tried this Hearth Light Diffuser Blend, and wait till you smell this. Hi, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. When I came across this diffuser blend, I just had to try it. Could 4 pure essential oils really turn a chilly day into an instant cozy retreat? Let's find out. First, add the essential oils to your diffuser according to your diffuser's instructions. 3 drops Mandarin Essential Oil, cheerful and mood lifting. 2 drops Clove Essential Oil for that warm, grounding hug. 2 drops Winter Spice Essential Oil Blend, fresh forest vibes for mental clarity. And finally, 1 drop Coffee Essential Oil for a cozy, rich finish. Diffuse in an open room for a festive and uplifting aroma. Want to make a bigger batch? Create a stock bottle by adding 25 drops Clove, 37 drops Mandarin, 25 drops Winter Spice, and 9 drops coffee to a 5 ml bottle from your big bonus box. Then, when you're ready to diffuse, just add a few drops from that stock bottle to your diffuser. Did you notice I have a new fun diffuser with me today? That's because Simply Earth got this diffuser just in time for the holidays. It's super fun, super bright, perfect for parties or just to keep your kids entertained for a while. You can get yours at simplyearth.com today. Pretty festive, right? And if you want to make this Hearth Light Diffuser Blend yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It's got everything you need to make this diffuser blend at home, and when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. Remember, making is healing. Let's get our camera woman's take on how this diffuser blend smells.
It's kind of spicy, and I can definitely smell the mandarin, which is really good. It's very like bright. I can definitely see me like diffusing this at home, like Christmas Eve. I can definitely smell the clove. I think that's what's spicy about it, but very nice. I love it.
Good. If this worked for me, it'll work for you too. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creation with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag @FromSimplyEarth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.